The apprenticeship is a really good base to start your career. Some people choose to stay in the trade for a long time, but a lot of people move on to either management positions or some sort of coordination position. If you come from a trade background and get into engineering or management, it's going to help you relate to the work involved as well as relate to the people that you have to work with.
RMR Engineering offers multiple pathways. You don't have to limit yourself to just being a labourer or someone on the tools. You can work in the office, you can work on the floor, you can work as a drafter. There's just so many different positions.
If there's any apprentices out there, I'd highly recommend coming and doing it. It's just a great opportunity. It can take you all around the country, working on different sites, meeting different trades, understanding that trade as well.
I love working here because it's a good environment. All the blokes are good to work with. You get a good variety. So you'll go to site, you've got work in factories, there's also workshop work. They teach you a lot. Yeah, it's good.
I've always enjoyed working with metal, putting things together and making things. So it's just a natural progression, something that I've always seen myself doing.
If you're good with your hands, like definitely a trade can sort of take you anywhere. We're really promoting getting females into trades as well, because anyone can do it. It's just whether you want to do it and how far you want to take it.
I'd like to think we're all getting a little bit smarter in how we solve problems. It's still a long way to go. We've got to start understanding what the youngsters want out of life, and they have a far greater sense of work-life balance than we ever did. We've had high school kids come and work for us in the holidays, leave high school and go and study engineering, come and work for us during their holidays while they're at university, right? And some of them are now working in really cool companies on the other side of the world.
There's got to be a lot more push back into the education system, awareness of that. There's some great jobs in this game. You can do lots of different things. You get paid quite well.
It's such a great career choice, I think, for women. And it's a real challenge for us to get more and more women involved in those areas, and particularly in the trades too. I think they're very, very underrepresented in the trades, and I think that women can add a lot of value in the engineering sphere. And it opens you up to so many other opportunities as well. I have a number of friends that I went through uni with that are now doing all sorts of things that are quite unrelated to where they started, but their engineering training and their engineering background has really given them a really great way to approach problems, and has taken them to places I don't think they would necessarily have imagined.
For us to have apprentices and graduate engineers is very important to us as a business, because what we've looked at, certainly our apprenticeship program, is that it's a long-term approach to get more tradespeople into the industry but into our business. We want to train and retain the best quality tradespeople that we can, and by putting them through our program, we believe that we do produce very good apprentices and therefore become very good tradespeople.
Engineering for the generations.